Welcome to our cosmic neighborhood, a family of worlds bound together by gravity and light. Our journey begins at home, on a blue world orbiting an ordinary star in the suburbs of the Milky Way galaxy. But Earth is just one of 8 planets in a system spanning billions of kilometers across. At the center burns our star, the Sun. 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun is a nuclear furnace, fusing 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, powering all life in our solar system. The sun wind rushes outward at 1,000,000 kilometers per hour, bathing every planet in a stream of charged particles. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth, but over 5 hours to reach the outermost planets. Join us on a grand tour of our solar system, visiting worlds of fire, ice, gas, and rock. First stop, Mercury, the smallest planet and closest to the Sun, a scorched world of extremes. Temperatures swing from 430 degrees Celsius in sunlight to -180 in shadow. A single day here lasts 176 Earth days. Venus, Earth's twin in size, but a hell world in reality, hidden beneath impenetrable clouds of sulfuric acid. Beneath the clouds, surface pressure is 90 times Earth's, hot enough to melt lead. The greenhouse effect gone catastrophic. And then home. Earth, the only world we know with life, protected by a magnetic field and blessed with liquid water. Our thin atmosphere, just 100 kilometers deep, creates weather, protects us from radiation, and holds the oxygen we breathe. The Moon, our constant companion, locked in gravitational embrace, creating tides and stabilizing Earth's rotation for billions of years. Mars, the red planet, a frozen desert world that once flowed with rivers and may have harbored life. Olympus Mons rises 25 kilometers high, nearly 3 times Mount Everest, the largest volcano in the solar system. Valles Marineris stretches 4,000 kilometers, so vast it would span the entire United States. Mars's polar caps hold frozen water and carbon dioxide, remnants of a wetter past when this world may have been habitable. Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, likely captured asteroids, orbiting their adopted world. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the Asteroid Belt, millions of rocky remnants from the solar system's formation. These are failed planets, prevented from forming by Jupiter's immense gravity, frozen in time for 4.6 billion years. Jupiter, king of the planets, so massive that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it, and it contains more mass than all other planets combined. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has raged for at least 400 years, a hurricane that never ends. Jupiter's clouds race in opposite directions at different latitudes, creating turbulent boundaries where storms are born. Lightning on Jupiter is 1,000 times more powerful than on Earth, illuminating cloud tops with flashes visible from space. Io, Jupiter's innermost large moon, is the most volcanically active world we know, stretched and squeezed by Jupiter's gravity. Europa hides a global ocean beneath its icy shell, containing more water than all of Earth's oceans, a potential home for life. Ganymede, larger than the planet Mercury, is the only moon with its own magnetosphere, a world between ice and rock. Callisto's ancient surface is the most cratered in the solar system, a fossil record of our violent cosmic past. Jupiter even has rings, though faint and dusty, created by micrometeorite impacts on its inner moons. Saturn, the jewel of the solar system, crowned with the most spectacular ring system we know. The rings extend 280,000 kilometers across, but are less than 1 kilometer thick, made of billions of ice chunks, each in its own orbit. At Saturn's North Pole, a perfect hexagon of clouds surrounds a massive storm, a geometric mystery we're still trying to understand. Titan is the only moon with a thick atmosphere, where methane rain falls into hydrocarbon lakes and rivers of liquid natural gas. Titan is the only other world with stable liquid on its surface, though that liquid is methane at minus 180 degrees Celsius. Enceladus shoots geysers of water ice into space from an ocean beneath its frozen shell, another potential harbor for life. We leave Saturn behind, a system of over 80 moons, each a world unto itself, orbiting the crowned giant. Beyond Saturn, the solar system grows dark and cold. Sunlight dims to twilight as we journey to the ice giants. Uranus rolls through space on its side, likely knocked over by a massive collision billions of years ago. Methane in its atmosphere absorbs red light, giving Uranus its distinctive cyan color, a frozen world of ice and gas. Miranda, Uranus's strangest moon, looks like it was shattered and reassembled, featuring the tallest cliff in the solar system. Neptune, the final planet, shines deep blue and harbors the fastest winds in the solar system, up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. The Great Dark Spot, an Earth-sized storm system, appears and disappears over decades, driven by Neptune's internal heat. Neptune's rings are faint and clumpy, with mysterious arcs where material clusters, perhaps shepherded by unseen moonlets. Triton orbits backward, a captured Kuiper Belt object, with nitrogen geysers erupting from the coldest surface we've ever measured. Behind us now, all 8 planets, each unique, from Mercury's scorched rocks to Neptune's frozen storms.
Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, home to countless icy bodies, the source of short-period comets. Pluto, once considered 9th planet, is now king of the Kuiper Belt, locked in eternal dance with its moon Charon. Pluto's heart of nitrogen ice is geologically active, with ice glaciers flowing and convection cells churning, even at minus 230 degrees. Haumea spins so fast it stretched into a football shape, completing a rotation every 4 hours. Makemake, one of the largest dwarf planets, wears a reddish coat of organic compounds baked by cosmic radiation. Eris, nearly as large as Pluto, orbit so far that it takes 560 years to complete one trip around the Sun. Comets, icy time capsules from the solar system's birth, grow magnificent tails as they approach the Sun's warmth. A comet's tail always points away from the Sun, blown by solar wind and radiation pressure, a cosmic windsock. The scattered disk holds objects in wildly elliptical orbits, flung outward by Neptune's gravity in the solar system's youth. Sedna's orbit takes 11,000 years, venturing so far that at its farthest, the Sun appears 1,000 times dimmer than from Earth. We approach the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of trillions of icy bodies, the true edge of the Sun's gravitational influence. 1 light-year from the Sun, halfway to the nearest stars, the Oort cloud marks where our solar system fades into interstellar space. At the heliopause, the solar wind surrenders to the interstellar medium, and our solar system's bubble ends. From here, our Sun is just another star, all the planets, all their moons, invisible in the glare of our distant star. We begin the long journey home, back through the darkness toward the warmth and light of our star. Past Neptune once more, its storms still raging in the twilight of the solar system. Saturn's rings catch sunlight even from afar, a beacon in the darkness marking the outer planetary realm. Jupiter looms large again, its mass shaping the orbits of all that surrounds it, guardian of the inner solar system. Through the asteroid belt once more, these ancient fragments witnesses to all that has passed in our solar system's history. Mars welcomes us back to the inner solar system, where sunlight strengthens and warmth returns. And there, that pale blue dot with its grey companion, our home, waiting where we left it. Earth grows larger, its blues and whites and browns a welcome sight after the alien landscapes we've witnessed. We descend through the thin blue line that protects all life we know, returning to the only world that is truly home. Our solar system, 8 planets, over 200 moons, countless asteroids and comets, all held in the Sun's gravitational embrace. Our entire solar system is just one star system among 200 billion in our galaxy, itself one galaxy among trillions. Yet in all we've seen, Earth remains unique, the only world with life, with liquid water oceans, with a protective magnetic shield. Having witnessed the extremes of heat and cold, the violence and beauty of other worlds, we return with deeper appreciation for our fragile home. We are citizens of the solar system, children of the cosmos. Keep exploring and cherish the pale blue dot we call home.